Few years ago, if anybody would have told me that, Tanmay, can you help me with a screen which is 100 inches big so that I don't have to buy a TV, and can you still do it with a projector without having to do any of the HDMI cable and all that stuff? Give me something which is compact, closer to the wall. I would have said, bro, settle in for a TV, because you are not going to get any projector which can do all of this for you. But today, here we are reviewing a projector called JMGO O2S Ultra, which is exactly doing this. It is giving you a 100 inch screen from merely a distance of only 6.5 inches. And we are going to talk more about this projector in our today's video. So let's begin. Now, I know many of you will say that, Tanmay, you have been reviewing ultra short throw for so long, and there have been ultra short throw projectors since last 3-4 years that have been doing rounds. So what makes this JMGO O2S Ultra so special? Well, I'm going to tell you a few facts about this projector. First of all, it's one of the most compact ultra short throw projector that you will ever see, because that was my first impression also. It's just 1 feet by 1 feet and barely 6 inches in height. Now, no other ultra short throw projector in the world has been that portable or that compact, because most of the ultra short throw projectors that we have also reviewed in the past are big bulky boxes. Their weight is more than 10 kgs, which definitely makes them not portable. And this JMGO O2S Ultra is truly portable and not just only ultra short throw projector. The weight is also under 5 kgs, which is a big win in this category, and that is what makes this projector so special. Now, the thoughts that you would have when we look at this compact projector is that specs may come hoga, it will not have that brightness, it will not have that kind of quality image. But you know what? The specs are surprising. The brightness that this projector commits is more than even a 4-movie theater premium projector, and that is 3600 ISO lumens. Now, that's a huge number, right? Imagine getting 3600 ISO lumens from barely a compact size of 1 feet by 1 feet. That is the beauty of O2S Ultra. The second thing that I liked personally about the O2S Ultra is the Google TV OS. The ease of operation in using that particular projector to stream anything online is as good as a TV streaming. So definitely hands-on, one of the best operating system that you have got, that I'm sure you would be using with your Android TVs like Sony, Samsungs and the LGs. So similarly, you've got it in the JMGO O2S Ultra. The third thing what I like about this projector is that it has got a very small cabinet space, because one of the biggest pain points that we know while working with so many ultra short throw projectors is that architects or interior designers do not want to have bulky cabinets for these projectors. Now, typically with the other ultra short throw projectors, we have to create a cabinet which is almost 20 to 22 inches. But now for a 100 inch screen, if I have to leave a space of 6.5 inch from the screen to the projector, and if the projector is barely 1 feet, then the total distance of my cabinet can be wrapped up under 16 inches. And that is one of other good factors about the O2S Ultra. And lastly, the picture quality. They are committing you HDR10. They are also mentioning Dolby Vision, though I am not too in for it because there is no HDR10 plus support mentioned. So if it's HDR10, I don't know how they are going to get the metadata that is required for Dolby Vision. But HDR10 is still not bad. And with 3600 ISO lumens, you can project it on the wall, you can project it with an ultra short through ALR screen and still enjoy this projector. One last thing that I forgot to mention, that this projector is compact but yet not at all compact when it comes to audio. The audio from Dyna Audio, which is one of the Scandinavian famous hi-fi stereo brand, is offering the support for speakers with this projector. So even if you don't have any portable sound system or any other fancy home theater system, you can still start your journey with that built-in speaker. Definitely it's not going to give you a cinematic surround sound experience which you want while watching it on a big screen, but it's not a bad start either. And it comes with Bluetooth 5.2, it comes with Wi-Fi 6 support, so everything required is there in the projector. Some of the other specs that are worth checking out in this projector is that it has got two HDMI 2.1 ports, one which can be used for EARC, which means that you can pull out, connect it to a soundbar or to your home theater system like the way we have done it out here, and you can enjoy a nice home theater surround sound experience with an immersive projector and a screen. Next up is the other ports that you have in the projector. You have got a USB A port, no C port, that was a surprise, but A port is not bad to connect to your media. Then you have got a LAN port if you want to have a better streaming on OTT. The third one that you have is an optical port, which is again good for connecting it to an external media source or the other sources that you would have. And lastly, it has got a DC power supply because it's not a battery powered projector. It needs a constant supply. So these are some of the other ports that are available. Some of the specs that you should also look at in the projector is the contrast ratio. Now, they have not given a full clarity on the native contrast numbers, but they have mentioned the full on, full off, which is more static contrast ratio and does not really have any value, but that is 4000:1. The dynamic contrast is almost 30 lakh is to 1. But when you do a little research and you find out the native contrast, it is roughly around 1500:1, which is very close to all the other DLP projectors. Now, talking about the technology, the projector is a laser projector. So, ultra short throw triple RGB laser projector is what you are getting with the JMGO O2S Ultra. And for those of you who are looking to use it for gaming, it can be a little disappointing because it does not have a very nice latency. It has got a 4K 60 Hz but with a latency of 35 milliseconds, which may not really work with many gamers and they would feel that this projector is not for them. But that's fair. If you're into casual gaming, if you're going to use it purely for media, then the JMGO O2S Ultra can be something that you can look for. Now, let's come to the most important part. I know that the projector is very exciting. Everybody would want to have a piece of that small compact projector giving you a nice 100 inches or up to 150 inches screen. But here comes the catch. The price point is not very sweet. In India, the projector is priced at 3.25 lakhs as of today. Obviously, if you want some special deal, please reach out to my team using the link that is shared in the description as well as in the comment section. But for this price point, you will feel that, okay, if I am really building a nice dedicated cinema room, or if I'm looking to build a nice media setup and my interior work is happening, then yes, you may find some better options with other models. The JMGOs might not be the best for you. So who should really buy it? Well, for those of you who are looking for no change in their infrastructure, be it the wiring, be it the furniture, cabinet or whatever, then this projector is for you. If you're looking for a purpose where you want to change your TV and bring a new nice projector into the room, which has got a little fairly, dim light, I won't say, not very bright. So the JMGO O2S Ultra is for you. Next, for people who are using it in the bedrooms, where you do not want to have a TV, you want to have something which is portable enough so that you can bring it down to the room whenever required, pair it with a soundbar and enjoy a nice movie, then the JMGO O2S Ultra is for you. So these are the applications that I can think of with the JMGO O2S Ultra. Also, not to forget, if you're going to do some nice match screening or a sports screening onto your terraces late night, then the JMGO O2S Ultra can again be a good partner to just throw off an image on a plain wall and you can still have a nice get together. So these are the applications of the JMGO O2S Ultra. People who should not buy it is people who are very serious about home cinema grade projection. People who are going to probably use it in the ultra bright living rooms, please skip this projector, stick to TV. And third is for those who are into gaming and serious gaming, then the JMGO O2S Ultra can disappoint you with its low latencies. So this is my take on the JMGO O2S Ultra. If you want to buy this projector, don't forget to check it on our website at tapav.com. And if you have any more questions about this projector or any other ultra short throw projector that you want to use in your home cinema projects, then feel free to reach out to our team at TapAV, because these people are AV experts who are really brilliant in designing some of the best home cinema setups for you anywhere in India. So thank you so much for watching. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theatre wale bhaiya, will see you again in my next video. Bye bye.